ET Brand Equity brings to you top stories of this week. The Chief Executive Officer of Media Research Users Council India, Radhesh Uchil, has stepped down from his position as the CEO. Uchil joined MRUCI in 2015 and has played a key role in ensuring successful execution of 2 rounds of the IRS study in tandem with the board and TechCom. According to the Tiara report on celebrities as human brands, released by the Indian Institute of Human Brands, Amitabh Bachchan was voted as India's most trusted celebrity, followed by Akshay Kumar and Deepika Padukone. Virat Kohli and Anushka Sharma scored 70.1 to be the most trusted celebrity couple. Actors Salman Khan and Kangana Ranaut were voted as the most controversial individuals in Bollywood, while Alia Bhatt and Ranbir Kapoor are seen to be the most controversial as a couple. The India policy head of Facebook, who allegedly opposed blocking of right-wing hate content, Ankhi Das, has now quit the company. Facebook India's managing director said that Das has quit from her role to pursue her interest in public service. Das has faced allegations of opposing enforcement of hate speech rules against BJP and other right-wing leaders, and her resignation came about 2.5 months after she first shot into limelight due to those allegations. The Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India has proposed to prohibit insurers from issuing advertisements that make claims which are beyond reasonable expectations of performance in a bid to protect consumers. The objective of the proposed regulation is to ensure that the insurers, intermediaries, or insurance intermediaries adopt fair, honest, and transparent practices while issuing advertisements and avoid practices that tend to impair the confidence of the public, the IRDAI said. Social media trolling is no longer a marketing department problem alone. Brands are now putting in place strict internal guidelines to avoid backlash on social media. During the crisis, brands have laid out a prioritization roadmap for responses from various executive levels going up to the CEO. Brands are also using a slew of digital tools from analytics companies to track online sentiment and hiring digital conversation specialists to avoid communication that can offend someone. That is all for this week. You can find us on our social media handles mentioned on the screen.